In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CapCut videos to gallery. If you've wrapped up your edits and you're ready to save a finished file to your computer, this walkthrough will take you from the editing timeline to a neatly saved video in your local gallery. We'll keep it simple so you know exactly where your file is once the export is done. With your project open in CapCut, look up to the very top right corner of the screen and click the blue Export button. This is the gateway to your final saving options. A panel will appear with the details that control how and where your video will be saved. Think of this as the last checkpoint before your project becomes a shareable video file. If you don't see it right away, make sure CapCut is maximized and you're on the main editing workspace. First, give your video a clear, memorable title. Type something that instantly tells you what the video is about. Adding a date or version can help. Good names make finding and organizing files easier later. Next, choose exactly where the file should live. Click the small folder icon next to Export To. This opens your file browser so you can point CapCut to the right place. Your Videos folder is a great choice, and the desktop works too if you want quick access. Pick a location you'll remember. Before you finalize, make sure the resolution is set to 1080p. Full HD is a reliable standard that looks crisp on phones, laptops, and most displays without creating an overly large file. It's widely supported across social platforms and is a solid default for general use. Once you've confirmed the title, the save location, and 1080p resolution, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the panel. CapCut will begin rendering, and you'll see a progress bar. Let it finish. Keep CapCut open and your computer awake so the export completes smoothly. When the export finishes, click Open Folder. This takes you straight to the new video file in your gallery location, so you don't have to hunt for it. You've successfully saved your project to your computer, and it's ready to share, upload, or archive. That's it. You're all set. If you follow this flow each time, your exports will be consistent, easy to find, and ready for whatever you want to do next.